In question 21, I'm given this prism. The cross-section is made up of a square and an equilateral triangle. I don't have any dimensions here, so I'm going to use a letter X to denote some of the sides. Now note it is intuitive to use X for the sides of the square and the triangle, but because M is the midpoint of one of the sides and I don't have fractions, I will set X as the distance GM and MF, which means that the sides of the square are 2x and the same with the equilateral triangle. I'm also given that EF is twice AE, which means EF is equal to 4x. Now I'll start by calculating the distance AM, and to do so I will need to extract the base of this shape. So AM squared is equal to 4x squared plus x squared. That's 16x squared plus x squared, which is equal to 17x squared. So AM is the square root of 17x squared. If I break this into 2, I'm going to have square root of 17 times the square root of x squared, which is just x. Next, I will work with the triangle JHK, and I will find its vertical height. Let's call this point here that is vertically above M as N. So let's extract this triangle as well. So using Pythagoras for half of this triangle, I will get 2x squared equals nj squared plus x squared. So nj squared is equal to 2x squared minus x squared. This gives me 4x squared minus x squared, which is 3x squared. Hence nj is equal to the square root of 3x squared. Again, if I split this, it's going to be square root of 3 times the square root of x squared, which is x. Finally, I will construct the triangle AJM so that I can find the angle MAJ, which is this one. Note the height of this purple triangle is equal to 2x plus nj, which I found in my last calculation. So let's extract this triangle as well. As mentioned before, JM is equal to 2x plus square root of 3x. If I take x as a common factor, I will get 2 plus square root of 3, and that's the height of this triangle. So tan of y is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, so 2 plus square root of 3x over square root of 17x. The x's cancel out, and then I have this expression, which is not exactly in the format I want, so I will rationalize the denominator. I will multiply by root 17 top and bottom. So for the numerator, I will get, if I expand, 2 square root of 17 plus square root of, and 3 times 17 is 51. Denominator will give me square root of 17 times 17, which comes out to be 17. And then almost there, just note that to square root of 17, which is this one, can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 17. And if I put this together, this will be square root of 68. So my final value will be square root of 68 plus square root of 51 over 17.